Hi, today we will discuss about the first one is similarities between bacteria and virus. Second is differences between bacteria and virus, and the last one is relationship between virus and COVID-19.
What is bacteria and virus? Bacteria and viruses are microbes which are very different to each other in structure and function. Despite the important structural and cultural differences, both bacteria and viruses can cause disease in similar ways. They invade and multiply within the host by evading the immune system. Bacteria and viruses are too tiny to be seen by the naked eye, can be causing the symptoms, and are often spread in the same way. But that's where the similarities end. A bacterium is a single but complex cell. It can survive on its own, inside or outside the body. Most bacteria aren't harmful. In fact, we have many bacteria on and inside our body. Viruses are smaller and are not cells. Unlike bacteria, they need a host such as human or animal to multiply. Viruses cause infections by entering and multiplying inside the host's healthy cells.
This is the similarities between bacteria and viruses. First, does not have to fly. Second is spread by roots of coughing, sneezing, coming into contact with contaminated animals and people. And the last one is both contain DNA and enzymes.
Differences between virus and bacteria. Cell type for bacteria is prokaryotic cell, while cell type for virus is acellular. Bacteria has 4 types of shape, which is cocci, spherical, bacilli, rod-shaped, spiral, and vibrio form shape. While for virus, it also has 4 types of shape, which is spherical, polyhedral, rod-shaped, helically shaped capsid, and complex shape for bacteriophagus. This is example for bacteria and virus. Replication for virus is it invades a host cell and takes over the cell and causing it to make copies of viral DNA or RNA. It also destroys the host cell and releasing a new viruses. While replication for bacteria is by binary fusion, which is asexual.
Okay, next is relationship between virus and COVID-19. Viruses are named based on their genetic structure to facilitate the development of diagnostic tests, vaccines, and medicines. Viruses are named by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2 was announced by ICTV as the name of the new virus on 11 February 2020. The disease that caused by SARS-CoV-2 is coronavirus disease. Viruses don't live or reproduce outside the body, but they may exist for days on external surfaces until they degrade or find a host, and this is the similarity between viruses and COVID-19. COVID-19 needs hosts, which is human or animals, to replicate just like other viruses. The viruses and SARS-CoV-2 virus spread by droplets and fluid. Just like most of other viruses, COVID-19 also cannot be treated with medicine by our own immune system. Viruses can be treated, but they can be prevented. This is why we have to follow SOP to prevent the transmission of disease.
Some viruses and bacteria are indeed harmful. However, many are harmless to humans and some are immensely beneficial. We should study more about these microbes so that we know how to deal with them in the future. Viruses are essential to the regulation of saltwater and freshwater ecosystems, while bacteria help many animals to digest food. They help trees grow, and they are important in the recycling of nutrients. less about these things, thus microbe awareness should be preached more among the population to avoid unwanted connections with harmful bacteria or viruses.